Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn how to start Excel software from your computer system. See, in Windows system, I would like to show you there is a start button for Windows. When you click here, this window will be opened. Now this pop-up here, simply type here for your Excel app, EXCEL. So Excel app is presenting. Just simply click on this Excel app to launch your page. See, it's Excel home new open. So this is the new blank workbook. When you click the blank workbook, so automatically Excel will opens here. Now you are comfortably fit and start working and learning Excel course greatly. This is a great option once you successfully installed and once your computer is having Excel software. Alright, and whenever you are taking in a computer system with Microsoft Windows, by default most of the computer systems are having this Office activated software along with the computer system. It's coming. If not, you just try to get this software from your vendor and install and be ready to start this Excel software in your computer system and start learning this course. Okay, and now we are going to discussing and explaining you about Office 2021, the latest one till today. Got it? And here very important thing is when you are open your Excel, see in the right side there is a login option. So you need to log in your Microsoft account successfully. When the logged in account is having more options are able to available and enabled, and you can work comfortably with the Excel functionality. This is the one way of Excel app which is installed in your computer system. And the second one I will explain you right now. Give me a second. Yes, now here you may observe here. Yeah, go to office.com. Yeah, go to office.com. Yes, here it is a Microsoft 365. This Microsoft 365, if you are having an account, so what you need to do, see Office is becoming Microsoft 365. Yes, what you need to do, see here at the if you are already having a credentials of Microsoft Office 365, you just simply use username and password to log in and start learning and working with the Office 365 also. And now they are going to combining Office into becoming like Microsoft Office 365. The same way 2021 what the options are available and functioning, the same options are going to be working with the online as cloud. Once you are enabled this particular package from your app, it may be mobile or any other computer system which is supports to like this Office browser, yes, you comfortably learn this course. Got it? Now we will make a move to next sections onwards, how to start and launching this Excel app. Happy learning. Thank you.